What's the meaning of carpeting? Carpeting. Carpeting.
Carpeting. Carpeting. Carpeting refers to the process of covering a floor with a thick, woven fabric material known as carpet. The result of carpeting is a more comfortable and pleasing walking surface, which can reduce noise, improve indoor air quality, and provide insulation. Installing carpets can also enhance the aesthetic appeal of a room while increasing its value. Additionally, carpeting provides a soft and cushioned surface for children to play on and reduces the risk of slips and falls compared to harder flooring options. Overall, carpeting is a popular flooring choice due to its comfort and practical benefits.